Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Hulkman Jump Starter 6.5. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your jump starter is fully charged, ideally to 100% before you begin. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Confirm your vehicle's battery voltage, typically 12 volts, matches the jump starter's output for optimal performance and safety. Now, let's connect the cables correctly. Take the red clamp and securely attach it to the positive, or plus, terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. Next, connect the black clamp to the negative, or minus, terminal of the dead battery. Double-check that both connections are firm and secure to prevent any accidental sparks or disconnections during the jump-starting process. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to power on the Hulkman Jump Starter. Press the power button and wait for the indicator lights to confirm it's ready to deliver power. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once confirmed, get into your vehicle and start the engine. It's best to attempt starting within 30 seconds of activating the jump starter for the best results. After your vehicle's engine successfully starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order. First, remove the black clamp from the negative terminal, then remove the red clamp from the positive terminal. Allow your vehicle to run for at least 20 minutes to help recharge its own battery. Finally, remember to recharge your Hulkman Jump Starter after every use, ensuring it's prepared for any future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.